Hi guys, happy Holi. I have something interesting planned today. I was gonna do a vlog, like a normal vlog, and like then I thought I should prank my husband for Holi. So someone like I got a lot of these organic like colors and whatever, and I felt like they would go to waste. I have played Holi all of twice in my life. And both times my husband has like fully like put color and whatever on me because he's like a proper person who's played Holi his whole life. I have not, so I thought why not like kind of go and try and get him for once, because the first time he put color on my face as soon as I woke up. Second time I think he broke an egg on my head, and yeah, this is payback. So I've got my supplies. These were all like PR packages that came in. They're all natural colors, so I feel safe using them. I'm gonna use these, this. We have more here. Yes. Okay, so here's my plan. I'm going to take this other PR package box and fill it with color. Obviously, it's going to be dry color, and this is going to be just like one shot that I have to get this color on him. And since I have different colors, I'm going to kind of mix it all up into this box and then hopefully just figure out how to just chuck it at him. Okay peeps, colors are packed. Changed my t-shirt and I put on like a really heavy layer of moisturizer. As you can see, my skin is Shannon. It's not sweat, it's cream, because I am really paranoid. So I mean the color, I don't know if you can see this, but there's still little color. While I was putting the colors, those haven't washed off my hands. And knowing Weber, I know this can go really wrong for me, where it like he'll just flip the box over in 1 second. It's gonna be all over me. And the first time I played Holi, at that time I hadn't done laser and I had like a full-on like lot of hair on my face, so I ended up with a pink beard, which was really interesting. So ever since I'm really like worried about playing Holi always, and yeah, I'm a wimp basically, which is why I don't think I play Holi. But so yeah, put moisturizer and let's go. Call him because there's some ridiculous music in the neighboring building. So if I call, he's gonna know I'm here. So I'm gonna text.
Idiot, I just had a bath.
I thought you knew, that's why you were taking so long.
No, I was just painting.
Oh, it's a prank, buddy, it's a prank.
What the hell?
I got you, Weber Tazar. How do you feel?
Well, I feel
Left out.
violated. I need some color.
I have extra color for you, but I won't give it to you.
But that's not the Holy Spirit. You're supposed to give me. I can't find anything. Give it all, put mitti on it.
No, it's on the box.
Got me already, yeah.
That's not all over face.
Now that I've gotten web of Talwar, he's trying to get his mother.
No, I'm not trying to get her. I'll just like say hi.
Got you, got
You
you.
missed most of it, huh?
Please,
Look
please.
at this. It's all on the floor.
It's all on you.
I just had a bath, man. Mom?
Close it so she opens it.
Happy Holi.
Happy Holi! You're a good girl. Good girl that you went away. Good girlie. Folks, Mission Holi was successful. I mean, not so successful because look at me. I had like blue color on my teeth, and I was like, oh my god, my teeth are going to be blue because I've just whitened. So yeah, I just washed up a little bit. Web was gone for a shower, but he took really long to come out, and I was thinking he's seen me from this window and like possibly like figured that I'm there or whatever, and he's trying to prank me back, but he was just actually painting, and that's why he was like, yeah, I can't see anyone in the compound, I'm not there. And after messaging, he finally came out and I got him. Okay, so we're all cleaned up. Weber is still playing with some color. How do you feel, sir?
You got me good. I had no idea. I was just ignoring the messages of going out and getting the package. But you did get me good, just like I'm about to get you.
No. I actually thought that you figured it out, and that's why it's taking so long, and you're gonna dump me with a bucket of water.
When have I ever figured out your surprises? I never do, right? Is that true?
You usually always do, which is why I was like, he knows something is up and he's not coming out, or
Why
he's
are you so scared
gonna
of me?
come out with a bucket of water and
Why are you so scared of me? You don't have to be so scared.
But I got you this time.
You didn't break an egg on my head.
That's okay. I mean, I'll do that next year. So if you liked the video and you thought this was fun and you want me to do like more prank videos or similar stuff, like this was one off, but if there's anything like this that you think I should do more of, comment below and maybe I will, because this was fun. See you guys. Bye.